In this video, you will learn how to import vessel maps and calibrate your existing vessel maps on the EVOS FL Auto 2 imaging system. Vessel maps allow you to define where you're imaging on your sample. These maps include well plates, slides, petri dishes, or flasks. Go to the Settings tab and click on the Vessels menu to find your vessel's options. Click Import Vessel if you wish to import a new vessel map, or Import Stage Insert to import a new stage insert map. To calibrate an existing vessel map, select the map you wish to calibrate in your vessel map selection window. Click Calibrate Vessel to begin the calibration process for your vessel map. Note that for this process, you may only use long working distance objectives with no more than 20x magnification. Follow the instructions on the right side of the screen as you proceed through the calibration process. First, align the calibration line to the top of your A1 well and click Next. Repeat this process for the left, bottom, and right of your A1 well. You will then proceed automatically to your H12 well, where you will define the bottom and right boundary of this well. When you click Next, you'll be brought automatically to your A1 well, where you will need to focus on any cells you may have in this well. Once in focus, click Next. On the next page, you will see a preview of each of your boundary positions you previously defined. If any boundaries are not correct, click Cancel and begin the alignment process again. Otherwise, click Next to proceed. To save your map, you have two options. Select Save As if you wish to save this map as a new vessel map. That can be found in your Vessels menu. Click Save to overwrite the previous calibration data on the map you selected at the beginning of the calibration process. Your vessel map may now be found in the Vessels menu.